Hey guys, Saving with Shea. I am here for my CVS video for you guys. Literally was on my way home, on my way home and realized that I totally forgot to record my intro. So I've already done all the deals, you guys. There are some flipping awesome deals this week. Glitches, OMG. I feel like almost every transaction was a moneymaker like last week. Like I feel like there was only like, I want to say one deal that wasn't like a moneymaker. But other than that one, everything else was a moneymaker, which is so freaking awesome, you guys. There are so many awesome deals. I cannot wait to share them with you guys. But if you're new here, yes, if you are new here, definitely make sure that you subscribe. Also, make sure you smash the like button and support your girl. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never, ever miss Ibotta and the coupons and CVS. No issues whatsoever, you guys. I did deals last week. I did deals today. I had no issues whatsoever. So without further ado, let's head over. Well, I already did. So keep on watching if you want to see what awesome deals that I got today at CVS, you guys.
Alright guys, so this first deal that we're going to grab is going to be on the Dove hand soap. It is priced at $4.99. It's buy one get one 50% off. So the first one's going to be $4.99 and that second one is going to be $2.50. So your total is going to come to $7.49, and then I'm going to be using a $2 email CRT that I got. I'm also going to be stacking that with two of the $1.50 printables from our Ip Fairy. There's also a $1 coupon from our inserts from today's inserts. So that's going to bring that total down to paying $2.49 out of pocket, but you're going to get back $5, making it a $2.51 moneymaker. Now this is the same promotion as the Dove right here, which is I was going to stack them together with the body wash CRT, but realized they're the same promotion. So I'm going to do Alright, so this transaction worked out pretty good. There goes our Dove, there goes our printables, there goes the $2 CRT. We rolled $2 in extra care bucks. Subtotal was 48 cents, so we paid $2.48 out of pocket. We got back to $5, and I submitted on Ibotta, and I actually did get it. It made it an $8.51 moneymaker, so I think that was an awesome first deal. So this next deal that we're going to grab is going to be on the Shea Moisture. Spend 20, get back 10 this week, and so I'm going to grab the styling gel. It's crazy because I just sold the rest of these yesterday, and so I'm happy to kind of restock on it. And so they're priced at $9.99, so we're going to grab two of them. The total for both of them is going to be $19.98, and then we're going to use a 6 off of 2 coupon that we just got in our inserts. Now there's also a digital as well that we're hoping will attach. I've seen it, somebody posted it was double attaching. So that should take off $12, so you'll end up paying $7.98 out of pocket, but you'll get back the $10. It should make this a $2.02 moneymaker. Now I do have a 5 off 25 CRT. I'm gonna try to stack with this deal. All right, the next thing I'm gonna be grabbing is gonna be the Dove hair care. It is buy one get one 50% off. It's also buy two get back 5. They only have 2 left, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab the last 2 they have. They're priced at $5.19. So the first one is gonna be $5.19. The second one is gonna be $2.60. All right, it's gonna come to $15.58. Now I do have a 3 off of 15 CRT that I actually was going to use, but since they only have 2, I'm just going to grab the 2 and use the 5 off 25 CRT versus the 3 off of 15 just on the Dove. So again, grabbing 2 of them, and then we'll be using a 3 off of 2 coupon that we just got in our inserts. Now there's also a digital as well, and I don't know if it's going to attach as well, because let me see, the second one is, what is that? The second one is $2.60, so I doubt that it's gonna, actually no, it's not gonna come off, because the second one, the one at 50%, is less than $3. I assume it's not gonna come off, so you'll end up paying $4.79 out of pocket, but you're gonna get back a $5 extra care buck, making it a 21-cent moneymaker. And so yeah, really quick, I'm gonna try using the $1.50 printable instead of this one and see if this one will work, and the digital. So if that works out, then we'll actually end up paying $6.27 out of pocket. So I'll let you know, but I'm thinking if the 3 off of 2 attaches to this one, that $1.50 should attach to the half price one. So we'll see. I'll let you guys know. So the ones that I got, those blue ones, that particular Dove, the printable didn't work, nor did the insert coupon work with that, but the digital did work, which was cool because we still saved the $3 off of the 2. All right, so there goes the Dove at the very top. There goes the Shea Moisture. There goes the 6 off of the Shea Moisture. There goes the Digital. There goes the Dove Digital. 5 off 25 CRT, and I rolled 7 extra care bucks up to 172. So we did pay the $7.77 out of pocket, which is what we planned on spending. Then we got back like 15, so it makes that a $7.23 moneymaker. And so yeah. So this next deal is going to be on the Covergirl. It's another tier deal. It's buy 2 get back 4, buy 3 get back 8. Of course, we're buying 3, we're getting back 8. Now I planned on grabbing the pencils down here at $4.99, but my store doesn't have any, and they only have 2 of the double pack pencils at $5.79. So I figured, since I rarely ever, never ever get anything other than the cheap pencils, I figured why not go ahead and why not go ahead and just get the mascaras, because we have a 4 off of 1 manufacturer coupon with this deal. So I'm going to go ahead and grab 3 of these here, and they're priced at $6.79. Total is going to come to $20.37. We're going to use 3 of these $4 coupons from today's inserts. You'll pay $8.37, and getting back to 8 will net them at 37 cents. For all 3 are only 12 cents each, and I think that's not bad considering we don't really be getting mascara that much. We be getting these cheap pencils down here, and so yeah. Now, of course, if you can find the pencils at $4.99, you can grab 3 of those. Use 3 of these coupons here. I think there might be a digital as well on the app, and you might still have a $3 CRT from last week, but your girl already used hers. And so you would use 3 coupons. That would bring the total down to $4.97, getting back to 8, making it a $2.03 moneymaker. Now, of course, if you had that $3 CRT from last week, you end up paying $2.97 and getting back 8, making it a $5.03 moneymaker. So yeah, definitely is choices. And so yeah. All right, next up is the Revlon. It is spend 15, get back 5 with a limit of 1, which is weird because isn't it normally like a limit of like 17,000? Anyways, listen, so we're gonna grab 2 of them priced at $9.99. Which one did I grab? I grabbed these up here, the pencils. They're priced at $9.99. So we're grabbing 2 of those. That total is going to come to $19.98. We're using a 6 off of 2 coupon from today's inserts. I do have a 4 off of 1 Revlon CRT. I believe we all got that. And then there's also 6 off 2 digital. I'm not sure if it's going to attach or not. We'll see. But if we just get the $6 off of 2 coupon and the $4 CRT, it'll bring our total down to paying $9.98, getting back to 5. Not the greatest of deals. I'm going to stack this in with a 10 off of 70 though, and we're just going to cross our fingers and hope and pray that the 6 off 2 digital comes off as well. And so yeah, this is the last deal that I'm going to go over on this transaction to kind of round it off. It's on the Dove. They are buy 1 get 1 50% off. It's also buy 2 get back 5. Now I think this is the same deal as the hand soap. I'm not sure for certain, but I did do it on 2 different cards just in case. So we're gonna grab the cleanser. It's priced here at $10.99. We're gonna grab the body wash as well, which is $8.99. That one's gonna be $4.50 because it's the half off price one. Both of them are gonna come to $11.49. And then for coupons, we have $2 coupons that we just got. You can use. Now we also have digitals as well. If you don't have paper coupons, okay, that's gonna bring our total down to paying $11.49 out of pocket. But then we're gonna get back the 5 in extra care bucks, and then we're also gonna be getting back $2 on Ibotta for the cleanser, and then we'll get back a bundle of 1,250 kicks, which is $5 on Shopkick. So it's gonna make this a 51-cent moneymaker, you guys, which is so awesome. Okay, really quick, my total is not quite $70, so I'm gonna add on some of these Cetaphils right here, priced at $4.29. I'm gonna be using this $4 coupon right here. I'm gonna grab probably 4 of them and see if I can let it fly. If I can, then it'll be an awesome deal. So let me go check out. This deal was so freaking magical, you guys. This is so freaking awesome. Listen. All right, so there goes the Dove at the very top, right? The Dove body wash. There goes the Covergirl. There goes the Revlon. There goes the Cetaphil. I added 4 Cetaphil, used 4 coupons because why not, right? And I wanted to get the 70, and I didn't want to spend for it, right? And so all my coupons worked. All my coupons scanned. There goes a $6 digital. Bam! There goes a 10 off of 70. Cool. And then I rolled a total of, what is that? $18.99, right? $18.99. Total that I rolled, and then I got back 8 and 5. Now something weird, kind of wonky happened. There goes the 8 for the Covergirl and the 5 for the Revlon, but as you see, the 1 for the Dove didn't print, but it ended up on my app. So that was weird, because at first I was just like, wait, what the hell? I was thinking I got my cards mixed up, and I was just like, what the heck? But yeah, it's on my app. That's weird, right? And then there goes the other ones that I did today. Weird, right? And so, but the greatest thing about this, you guys, I sent them my receipt on Ibotta, and look what happened. I'm gonna show you what happened. Bam, look at that. I got back $6 for that Dove body wash, and then $2 for the cleanser. So the $6, that was a glitch because that's only for a double pack. So this is the one that worked for the $6, you guys. Awesome, right? So I got back an extra $6 for this. So we paid, let me put this through really quick. And then I also submitted on Shopkick. Then we got back 18 care bucks. And then we got back 5 on Shopkick. We got back 8 on Ibotta, right? Yeah, so that was a $12 moneymaker, you guys. That was so perfect. Every transaction I did was a moneymaker.
A few moments later.
All right, this next deal is on the Eucerin. It is spend 20, get back 10. So for this, I'm going to grab 2 of these. They're already in my cart at $6.79, and then I'm gonna try grabbing one of these up here at $6.99. Now we have $3 coupons. I'm not sure if they're gonna work, but if they do, that'll bring the total down to $11.57 out of pocket. Getting back a 10 will make it $1.57 for all 3 products, are only 52 cents each. Now I do have a 3 off of 12 CRT, but I also have a 10 off of 70, and I'm trying to put all this on one transaction.
And so if the coupon doesn't work, I'll probably just have to add some Cetaphils, some of these little small Cetaphils. I think these are for something, and then I have a printable, so I might just have to throw in 4 of those. I'm thinking of just doing that. It'll make it much lower out of pocket. And so, actually, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to do lotion right now, see if it works. I can let you know if the lotion works or not.
Right, so this is how this one worked out with the Eucerin. Only one $3 coupon went through, and I used 2 of the $2 coupons, 3 off of 12 CRT. I paid, what is that, $10.57? And got back the 10. So 57 cents for 3 of them, are 19 cents each. And here is our complete haul for you guys. Don't be fooled by the fact that this looks like a mini itty bitty teeny weeny haul. Don't be fooled, because this was an awesome moneymaker, you guys. I did have a couple hiccups, like I said in the video. The paper coupon, the IP, did not work with the intensive repair, which is probably why it was the only 2 lonely bottles there. But the digital worked, so it was fine on that. What else was a hiccup? With the Covergirl, be careful with that, because the Covergirl eye coupon, it does attach to the mascara. So just be careful when you're using those coupons and using the digitals. If you're using a paper coupon, just make sure they scan the mascaras first so it'll attach. Because if you have the eye coupon attached to the mascara coupons are not going to scan. And if you're using the digital ones, I would say maybe scan the mascaras first, have them total it, and make sure it attaches to it, and then scan the other pencils or whatever for that. But yeah, that was an issue for today. Other than that, today was pretty amazing. As you can see, I did do the Dove again. Now, I usually get the lavender kind, and it's always the coupons that always work with it. And the video I did mention I wanted to try to use the $1.50 printable and see if the $3 digital would attach, and it did. So that one worked out really good. Let me find the receipt. That one worked out really good. All right, so there goes the Dove, and then there goes the $3 digital. There goes the printable. I paid $3.28 out of pocket, and then I got back the 5. So that one worked out perfect. So I definitely will be running that deal across the board for the rest of my situations. What else did I want to mention? For the other deal that I did have 2 3 off of 10 CRTs on 2 of my cards. So this deal was pretty much identical to the other one. Only thing is, like I said, I had the situation where I had the $3 digital attached instead of the $4 digital for the mascara. So I ended up paying an extra $1. So this one, the subtotal was $6.74. The other one was $7.74 basically. And so there goes the Covergirls at the very top. There goes the Revlon. All of my paper coupons all scanned. There goes the digitals that came off, the CRTs. And then again, we paid $6.74, and we got back a total of $13 on that transaction. And again, I had 2 exactly like that because I had 3 off 10s expiring today. All these are awesome deals, y'all. I'm gonna run them across the board. Eucerin, I was gonna say you could probably do without the Eucerin. That's the only deal that wasn't a moneymaker. Well, and the Cetaphil. But I mean, as a whole, I had a 10 off of 70 that I used, so it did make it a moneymaker because of that. With that transaction, the $4 CRT didn't come off, and so the cashier was super awesome. I'm telling y'all, it pays to have good relationships with your managers and your cashiers. Well, more with your managers, with both of them. It's good to have good relationships with all of them, because I mean, she could have been like, well, that's your bad. You know what I mean? Because I had forgot to clip it. But she didn't. She was like, okay, you know, and she gave me a $4 extra care buck. So, I mean, it just, like I said, it just pays, and it goes a long way to have, you know, good, healthy, solid relationships with your managers and your cashiers. And so, but other than that, let me hurry up because it's so late. I did not mean to get this video up so late, you guys. But so everything that you see here retails $210.92. I had $146.50 in coupons, CRTs, and digitals, which brought the out of pocket down to $64.42, which is freaking amazing. We walk away with $79 in extra care bucks, $14 from Ibotta, and $5 from Shopkick. We got back a total of $98 total, you guys, making everything you see here free, plus a $33.58 moneymaker, you guys. This is mad amazing. And even after our $14.87 of sales tax, we still make $18.71. So there are some awesome deals you cannot pass up. And so other than that, you guys, I'm not done. You don't see Axe because my stores were wiped out last week. If they restock, I may do that deal. There are some deals I didn't get to do because my store, again, is completely out of stock. But other than that, I will leave it there. You guys have the most amazing day, night, whenever you're watching, wherever you're watching from. And I'll see you in the next video. Jojo, what's your emoji? We haven't did an emoji in a super long time. You got an emoji for me?
A rocket ship and a cake.
A rocket ship?
And a cake.
And a cave?
A cake.
A cake. A rocket ship and a cake. In the comments, as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.